How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Flare Hideaway and surface mounts models here. So we have our FlareX. Now our FlareX is a push bulb style, and this is perfect for trailers or anywhere you need a accent light. And this unit will have on-off function, and for example, I brought a red color unit here, but we do offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. Now moving over here, I have our Flare 6 and our Flare 12. Now our Flare 6 will be a push bulb style hideaway or surface mount, and you'll see it has the taller housing than our Flare 12, and this unit will have 6 LEDs, and I brought this unit in an amber color, so you'll see I can easily activate my Flare Hideaway there. Now this is an amber color model, but we do offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid or dual color options if you would like that unit. And then moving here, we have our Flare 12. Now on our Flare 12, I brought a red-blue color example, but same thing here, we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid or dual color. And then on your Flare 12, this unit will be the flatter profile style there. So you'll see that unit has a flatter head than our Flare 6, and both of these units can be used as hideaways or surface mounts where you'll get your included flange and your mounting hardware. And then on these units you do have pre-programmed flash patterns that you can easily cycle through by tapping your yellow flash pattern cable to your power button, and I'm using my universal 6 switch box here where I hooked up my yellow flash pattern cable to my momentary switch on switch F. So you'll see from our FlareX to our Flare 6 to our Flare 12 that we have plenty of options for your hideaway or surface mounts applications. And again, this is our FlareX, this is our Flare 6, and this is our Flare 12. So make sure to check out the product pages for full product information and watch our product demos for a full product overview, and also try out our interactive players to fully demo your units before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.